Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E13, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your device, how to make your device faster. So your device is starting to slow down because three aspects. First aspect is lack of memory, lack of internal storage. Second aspect, lack of RAM, and third aspect, harmful files. If you have filled your device storage over 70%, your device is slowing down right now. So not to fill, you need to remember, if you want to keep your device fit, not to fill your storage over 70%. So try to keep it between 60 or 70, okay? So if you want to check how much space consumes apps, games, maybe trash, audio, video, images, you can check it here. But if you want to remove any application, just find apps in settings, and here you will see all your applications with the size this application consumes. And if you want to remove any app, so just click uninstall, OK, and great, that's it. If you want to upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage, just try to use Google Drive or any other drive. Every drive gives you gigabytes for free. For example, Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes for free. Mega gives you 50 gigabytes, of course with restrictions of downloading size, but you can try to use it and find the best cloud storage for you. Okay, so great. Let's take a closer look to RAM. Every processor running at the moment are running in RAM, so here again the winners one who invests in device with more temporary storage. But if you want to free up your RAM, just click on the square button and just unload apps from RAM. Great. And the third aspect, it's lack of RAM. It's harmful files. So just find files application on your device, click continue, and just clean harmful files. Clear. Great. So you have built-in cleaner in your device. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.